this is how to. Today I'm going to show you two things. One, my website, which is right here. It's got all our videos on, it's got a blog, an email address, subscribe form. So if you put your email address in there, then any new videos will pop up on your inbox and stuff like that, so you can get to it as quick as possible. Anyway, this is my website. Click on here for our Discord server, which is new too. Click on here for our channel. Discord channel. Just trying to get that. So when we click on our Discord, let me do that. This will pop up. Nothing to worry about. You've got to have a Discord account now. You've got to use Discord. You accept the invite. Then, Micromouse doesn't like it sometimes. Then you go into the link. You accept the invite, go in. And then it loads. You come to this. Nobody's in our server now because it's new. This is Otto. He's my brother who does some of the specials sometimes. This is me. As it says Wobber there, Wobber78. We're server managers. You'll get a role as you join. Probably like a fan role maybe, or watcher, or I don't know. But there will be newest uploads here. There are some sort of channels that are moderator only, so you can't get in them. But if it wants to go up, no. Okay. Well, there was a main chat channel. I'm going to add that back in, just in case it goes again. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, because you've now found out about my website and my Discord server. There probably won't be another sort of website or something coming. I doubt that. But, yeah, also quickly before we go, in the corner of my website when you go in, it says Let's Chat. Click on that, send a message to me. I'll try and get it as quickly as I can. As it says there, we'll play as quickly as we can. If I don't, then try and send another. I think that's it for today.